just subscribe the button and click the bell icon and go to the and just click the link below for everything. Hello, in this video I will show you how to use cover photo to only me. For example, you go to your profile, okay, and there is your cover photo. When you click here, this is your view color photo, okay, this is your color photo. Everyone can comment and everyone can do something and see this, but how can you do this to only me? So I will show to you this, okay. So for this purpose you have to just, for example, want to upload any photo, upload the photo, upload. When you upload the photo, you have to just select any photo here, okay. After selecting any photo here, when you select the photo, you there is another option, share update to new feed. You have to just uncheck this. When you uncheck, it means that this photo will not show to your friend that your profile photo is updated, okay. If you select this mean that your profile photo will show to your friend, and they will can comment here, but you have to don't show it, okay. Now when your profile photo is updated, cover photo, just click here and view profile photo, okay. Now this is the all the option coming to you, and there is everything present, everyone can see. You have to just click on the three dot button. When you click on the three dot button, you have to just what you do, you have to just there is another option, click here, and now come back. You have to just click here and sit on the go to the setting. And when you go to the setting, you have to just activity log option. There is the activity log option, you have to click here. When you click here, there is a photo post. You have to click on the manage your post. When you click on the manage your post, you have to click on the filter and click on the category. When you click on the category, text photo all is enough. And now you have to just go to the filter audience all. This is the where is your interaction group community profile. Go to your profile information. When you go to your profile information, update his profile.